Now before I start off this video, I want to give a huge shout out over to two of my favorite subscribers so far on this channel, and that is over to Morgan as well as Yusha. Guys, you are awesome. Thank you for supporting the channel, and this shout out is for you. All right. Story time. Now I know my background is just a little bit different, but that's only because some of you guys have asked to see my PC build in the background just to make sure that I actually have it. But yeah, I'm only just testing this for right now, so let me know what you guys think, and should we continue to film like this in the near future? What's Gucci my Phenom family? Hope you're feeling absolutely freaking phenomenal. My name of course is Eddie, and guys, a couple months ago back in May, the stay-at-home order was just hit into effect, and I was forced to stay at home for 2 months straight, and I know a lot of you can relate. Now during that time frame, I actually got a lot of work done. I was able to make more videos, study, I built this computer back here. I was also able to break YouTube's 1,000 subscriber marker as well as the 4,000 hour watch time hours on the channel. So thank you guys for that. So pretty much while hitting those 2 milestones, it actually allowed my channel to become eligible for monetization. Pretty much with the time frame of me finally being monetized, I was able to hit over 134,000 views on the channel to date. So thank you so much for that again. And we were also able to break over 2,000 subscribers. So now with having over 130,000 views to date since being monetized, I was able to actually make over $150 of ad revenue, which actually leads me on to my next point. This video is not trying to show off how much money I've made off of ad revenue so far as a small creator on YouTube, but a video to basically give back to you guys. I show you all the time on how to make billions and trillions of dollars on Bitlife, and I want to give some form of real form back to you guys for all the support that you've shown within the last pretty much 3 months. So I actually see this as an opportunity to give back to you guys for all of your support, and I just want to say thank you. I'm actually going to be hosting a giveaway, giving away $100 of my YouTube ad revenue back to you guys in the community. So I'll be hosting a giveaway in the description down below of this video, as well as continuing off. If you guys check out the video link down below, you'll see exactly everything you need to do. One of the ways of how to get entries in order to win this contest for the $100 is pretty much subscribing to the channel, liking this video of course, because that obviously helps our channel out and grow. In about 2, maybe 3 weeks time, or pretty much when we hit over 3,000 subscribers on the channel, I will announce a winner, and whoever is the lucky person to win the $100, I'm gonna give that option up to you of how you want to receive it. That could be through Amazon, Best Buy, Starbucks for all I care. Doesn't really matter as long as I'm giving back to you guys. And in the future, if we continue to grow like this at this rate, I'll definitely be doing more giveaways, maybe $500 in the future, $1,000. Funny enough, I actually was talking to a subscriber in the comment section about potentially giving away something at 10K subscribers, maybe like a little YouTube starter kit, but yeah, maybe this might be a nice little touch that we can have added onto the channel just to give back to you guys for the tremendous amount of support that you've shown for me. And I thank you again so much. Guys, if you haven't already, please go ahead, check that link down below, subscribe to the channel while you're down there. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, hit the little notification bell just so you get notified every time I put a video out like this, guys. I appreciate you. You don't know how much I do. And I will see you hopefully enter into the new giveaway and as well in the next video. Peace.